Okay. Ready for round 3. Where am I going? How about up here? Golf. Up. Oh. Primo Berg? What? Cool. I'm gonna be real with you. I actually literally just lost all my momentum because of this golf. Alright, well, I got the Primo Berg in the end. What the heck is that? Yeah, like what Pino just did. What? There's another one. Huh? It's good, I guess. You could throw it. You just have to be careful. Oh!
Why would you baseball bowling ball?
Cool, I got the pineapple. Gonna go for the Primo Berg! Huh? Is that a microwave sound? Also Primo Berg. There was a microwave sound in the background. Ow. Okay, this way. Soda course. Sounds fun. He just sits in a chair. Could you stop messing with my ball?
Basically, killer.
I mean, it went up. That's good, right?
Did you wind up?
Yeah. You got stuck. Oh no! Stop! No, my Primo Berg! I got a hot dog! What? What was that? Oh, it's a tomato. Well, I'm going. The Berg course. This must be dope. Up. Oh! No, wait! Oh! Oh no! Stop going in directions that are not beneficial! That's right, you dum-dum. I was supposed to stop. And then run full speed. Mini putt. Oh, no! Why must you do this to me? Where'd he go? Oh, I got the Primo Berg! Now what? Ow. The final course. What? That's good, right? Yeah, I did. Oh no! I did it. Really? During pizza time? Knock it off, man! Go! Hot dog. Yeah. Worth it. Ow. Doesn't matter. Keep going. Where are we going? Over here. Oh, why can't I see these blasted things? Go, golf man, go! Ow! What the? Go. Go. Why won't you go? I need to leave! Why do you insist?
He's doing it too early. He's gonna get further away.
Good idea, Mike. Screw that random golf man. Oh no! Send me back! I can, and I am. Oh, that's the janitor. Oh. It's not as fast as I wanted it to be. Oh, I got a bell. There we go. That's speed. Killed my speed. There we go. Ow! Ow! I hurt Pepino Tent. He looks so sad. Very nice. Whew. Okay, one more and then we can do the thing. Yikes, that almost took 10 minutes. Where am I supposed to go? Rent a boss. Well, we're not doing that yet, are we? I could, doesn't mean I will. Ow, ow, what the heck is that? Alright, aliens. Apparently. That looks like a gumball. Deep Dish 9. What? What am I looking at? Oh! Okay. That takes care of those, I guess. I wanted that. Oh, I can still get it. Oh, what was that? He shot a DNA strand at me. I feel like I should apologize for wrecking the ship. Oh! Hey, the mushroom. Oh yeah, true. Down, please. Thank you. Oh no, I wanted that. I mean, I could have gone to it. Whoa! Okay. Why go in here? In here. Thank you. Okay. Where's the cheese? Whoa. Sweet guitar. Hey, Mr. Cheese. Wait a minute, there's a Space Pizza Mart? How do I get to that? What the? There's a tomato. What? Is that a cosmic gumball? Ow. I can't help but feel like they said that exact same thing before. Oh, I got.
Well, how am I supposed to know that either?
And maybe forever, for all I know. Ow!
It's too much effort.
Huh? Oh! That was the most amazing space sound I've ever heard. Was that Bugs Bunny? Oh, I didn't go down! Ooh, that was close. Alright, I did it. This way. Down this. Over here. Past that weird slime block. There's a lot of crazy stuff in the background. I don't know how I'm supposed to feel about all this. It's weird! Why is everything weird? It's almost like we're in an alien world! This again. Ow! Where's the Pizza Planet? Oh. Okay, I see what I'm supposed to do here. Supposed to turn around, go in this, destroy that asteroid. I got the pineapple. Oh! Okay, I never get a warning for this.
What?
I will complain about it until I'm dead.
What?
Give me a warning for pizza time, man! Oh no! I want to see what was that way. Don't jump. It was nothing. Rocket. What the? Down, please. Thank you. I can make it. Oh, I couldn't make it. The important thing is that I got. Slow down. The important thing is that I got it. That had to hurt. Huh? No. Okay. Now that that guy's gone, open that. Slide down here. And beat those guys up. I'll rocket here. Who was that little dough guy? I'm home. Is this home? Where am I supposed to go? Clearly not that way. Okay. Oh, that's the janitor. It's a sandwich. Oh, I didn't realize the situation was actually so. Wait, that's lap 2. Where was the exit? Oh my goodness. No one call attention to that.
Yeah, just take it past it.
Oh, that was embarrassing. I can't believe I walked past it and shot by it twice. I even got the treasure, which is supposed to be hard to find.
There's a big shiny doorway.
Oh!
A big white shiny doorway.
Is that an olive?
I think it's a little bit, yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure so.
Oh, okay. Alright, I did it. That's all of them. Hello. $200. Oh, whatever. See you later, gremlin. That looks even worse. What is that?
Okay.
Wow, we still got 10 minutes. Alright, yeah, let's do it. This probably won't take a while.
So sleepy.
The noise. Did he just flip me off?
Awesome.
You saw that, right? Yeah, he flipped me off. Yeah, he had a board. How many times? Balloon. Oh!
What's your favorite thing to do with balloons?
Punch him. Uh-oh. We were fine.
Well, they didn't know that.
What was that?
What?
Oh. It wasn't real! I'll take that. Oh,
What?
He threw the board at me. And then proceeded to flip me off. See that? Look at him! Hold on, can I have that? Oh! Okay, again. Yeah.
It's so evil.
He just starts off with that, man. What is that sound? He did a little wow. I can't describe it. Yes. No roughhousing.
You're dead. You just go listen.
Oh! I thought I could get him. Okay, so when he does the balloons, the one that falls isn't real. Yeah, it wasn't real. Oh!
He's too red. You're gonna see.
Ow! Cool. Oh, God! Apparently his burned animation causes damage again. The noise is not where this will end. Even though he's being very, very mean. Oh, screw it, I'm just gonna go for it. Oh. Can I help you? Okay. Can someone please explain what just happened? Key!
A good court case, anyway.
That was bad. Agreed. But it wasn't awful.
Lose you 5 seconds.
Give me a break. Alright, cool.
Snails don't deserve breaks.
And we're off.
Adventure.
Oh, we gotta wrap up actually. Because it took so long. Is that an enemy? You need to be this tall. You've gone far enough, buddy.
Cool.
Hang on. There enough. Good enough. Oh look, there he is. Hey, bud. Good show, I say. Noise T. There we go. Oh, good lord. What? Does your fridge smell weird? Have you checked the expiration date? I think, like in general. Because some foods smell really really bad.
Specifying
Hmm. What is that?
what?
Missing. Is that a rat?
Yeah,
$200. Now, if I had that other vegetable that I missed, we would have been done. I'm keeping running. Noise that? Oh, I don't know. All right. Well, the vigilante's here. Ow. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff. And because of my running around, we actually can't cover. Can't do a level. Alright, where is all this? Wait, what? Do you seriously think I'm gonna give you more advice after that blunder you just did? What blunder? What is anyone talking about right now? I could not be less clear or lost. Alright. That's all the things we gotta do. Yup.